welcome to another interesting problem in the series of coding. It's called odd even linked list. So let's get started with the problem. We are given a singly linked list and we have to group all the odd nodes together followed by the even nodes. And we have to note here that we are talking about the node number and not the value in the nodes. So we should try to do it in place, and the program should run in O of 1 space complexity and O of nodes time complexity. So let's see the example here. It is given 1 2 3 4 5 is our linked list. So we have to group the even nodes first of all, and we have to shift them. So we have to group the odd nodes together first, and we have to bring them together, and we have clubbed them and written them as 1 3 5. And then even nodes we have to shift them rightwards and then attach to the odd nodes in the end. So 1 3 5 and then 2 4, and then null is the end node. So let's move forward. So we have 2 1 3 5 6 4 7. So in this case we have to group 2 3 6 and 7 that are going to be at odd places, and we have to write them together, and then those at even places, so which are 1 5 and 4, and then we have to group these together, so that will be attached to these odd nodes at the end, and this will become our final linked list. So let's get started with the logic of this. So I will just take a simple example. Consider 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So let's understand what will be the output of this. So if this is our input linked list, then we have to group together 1 3 5, and we have to attach 1 3 5 so that 1 is pointing to 3, 3 is pointing to 5, and then we have to group 5 to 7 also, so 5 should also point to 7. And we will also have to make another linked list such that 2 is pointing to 4, 4 is pointing to 6, and then we will have to attach these two linked lists together. So then 7 should be pointing to 2, and we will have to return this linked list. Of course 6 is pointing to null. So our strategy will be to split into two linked lists, odd and even, and then attach these two linked lists. So that is how we will be able to achieve a simple solution. So let's get started. So we will declare an odd pointer first, that is going to start with the head. So let me declare an odd pointer that is going to be equal to head initially, because odd will be at first position, and let's declare a even pointer similarly, that is going to be the next of head position. Now see, remember we have to attach both of these at the end, so we will also have to give a hold pointer that is going to hold this value, so that initially at last we are able to attach this to the odd elements, because even will iterate throughout and even will become the last element, or even will become null. So odd will also iterate throughout the linked list. So to hold the head of the even elements, I will have to give a hold pointer. So let's get started with the logic. Now what we will have to do is, let's write the steps that we are going to do. So odd is holding our first element. Okay, so see what odd is going to see. So let me write the linked list that odd is going to see. So odd is going to see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So odd is able to see these linkages because odd is holding the head pointer. Odd is equivalent to the head pointer. Let's see what even is seeing. So even is starting from 2, so even is able to see this linked list 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, so what should be our result? Our result should be that 1 should be attached to 3, but here 1 is being attached to 2, so we should break this linkage. If we simply break away this linkage, then we are going to get 1 is going to be attached to 3. So to break this linkage, we can simply give first step. So we will give first step. Okay, so first step will be odd dot next. I am writing O dot n short for odd dot next. So odd dot next will just be even dot next. Okay, this will be our first step that we are going to do, because even is holding the value 2, even pointer is holding the value 2, so evens next is just 3. So if I give this first step, that is odd dot next is equal to even dot next, see odd is holding 1, so odd dot next will become even dot next, so ones next will become 3. So this is my first step. This chain will break and odd will hold this. So this is the thing that we have achieved. Now let's go to second step. Once we have achieved this, the second step that we will give is odd is equal to odd dot next. Now I can shift my odd because I can move over. So now my odd will become equal to whatever its next element is. Okay, now let's give the third step. So the third step that we will give will be even dot next is equal to odd dot next. So even dot next is equal to odd dot next. So when I give this, now see 2 is holding 3 and 3's next is 4. So odd's next is 4, right? Current odd is 3, current odd's next is 4. That will become even's next. So even is holding 2, so even's next will become 4. That means this linkage will break and even's next will become what is current odd's next, that is 4. And now we can give the last step. The last step that we will give is we can shift over our even. So even is equal to even dot next. So that's it, and we will just do this over and over again and we will be able to achieve our result. So our even will become even dot next. Now let's go over very quickly. So odd dot next is equal to even dot next. So similarly odd dot next will become even dot next. That means even's next is 5, so odd's next will become 5. This linkage will break and this linkage will attach. Now odd is equal to odd dot next, so we can shift over our odd and odd will move over to the next element. Now even dot next is equal to odd dot next, so odd's next is 6, so that will become even dot next and 4 will hold 6. Now even is equal to even dot next, so even will shift over and it will move over to the next element. So in this case even will become 6. Now let's go over to the iteration. Odd dot next is equal to even dot next. Again this linkage will break and this linkage will attach because even's next is 7, so odd's next will become that, and then odd will become odd dot next, so odd will shift over and become equal to the pointer that is holding the value of 7. Now even dot next is equal to odd dot next, so even dot next will become null. See, odd dot next in this case is now null, so even is currently holding the value of 6, so even dot next is equal to odd dot next, so in this case even dot next will also just become null. In this case we know that we have to stop the iteration, so even dot next is null and even is equal to even dot next, so even will shift and even will become equal to null. So now we know we have to stop the iteration, so our end case will be even is either even becomes null or even dot next becomes null. If we had even elements that is only up to 6, then even dot next will become null, so then also we have to stop the iteration. So this will be our end case, and now we have to just attach this to the next element. So we know we have to attach odd to the pointer that we had held initially. So we had given hold pointer to hold the starting of the even element, so odd dot next will just become equal to this hold pointer. Hence this will be our complete linked list from 1 3 5 7 2 2 4 6 and then null. So let's start coding this so that we get a better idea of this. So first case that we can simply give is if head is equal to null, then we can just return, so that we need not go over, we can just return null, and otherwise we can go over to the next step. So the next step will be we will have to declare list node star odd that is equal to head, and we will have to declare a even pointer, so list node star even, and that will be equal to head dot next, and then we can go over to the next element, we can go over to the next step. So the next step will be we'll have to declare a hold pointer to hold so that it can attach at last and then we don't lose it. So list node star hold is equal to, we can just give head dot next, it will just be the same as the even, and we can give while even not equal to null, so even not equal to null, or we can give the case when, so even not equal to even dot next not equal to null, so that will be the case that we can give. And so we can give and also here, it's fine. And then we can move forward to the cases. So what we have to do initially is we have to do our first step. So odd dot next is equal to even dot next, so odds next will become equal to even next. And then we can go over to our second step. So our second step is odd is equal to odd dot next, so odd is equal to odd next. And then we can go over to our third step. So third step is even dot next is equal to odd dot next, so even next is equal to odd dot next. And then we can go over to our last step, that is even is equal to even dot next, so even is equal to even dot next. And at last we have to just attach our two linked lists that we have got. So we can just give odd dot next is equal to hold pointer, and we can just return the head. So our linked list would have been attached. And let's run and see if it's working. So there is a compile error. Reference type list node is appointed. Did you mean to use this? Okay, I have given not, I've given dot, so I should give the C++ notation, which is this. Yes, so it's finished and it is working. We can submit and see if it's working. Yes, it's an accepted solution. So thank you for being patient and listening. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe.